Hello, my name is Associate Prof. Susan MacDonald, and I am the Programme Director for the Masters in Biopharmaceutical Engineering. Our programme was initially set up in 2006, and over the last 17 years, we have graduated over 300 students. As you may know, Ireland is a major hub for the manufacture of both pharmaceutical and biopharmaceutical drugs. We currently have over 22 biomanufacturing facilities, and these facilities are producing biologic drugs like antibodies and enzymes. We also have a small number that are involved in the manufacture of cell and gene therapies and vaccines. Our graduates find jobs working in various aspects of this production process in terms of the upstream and the downstream. We also have graduates who are involved with designing and building these facilities. And each year, a small number of our graduates get PhD positions in the school, in UCD, and further abroad. Our programme was designed for both science and engineering graduates, and we welcome graduates from any discipline in science and students with an engineering background, a bachelor's in biotechnology, or a BE in chemical engineering. The modules within our programme cover a range of both science and engineering topics. The modules are delivered by academics within the school, and also some of our modules are delivered by our partner, the National Institute of Bioprocessing Research and Training, or NIBRT. We look forward to welcoming you to our programme, our Masters in Biopharmaceutical Engineering, in September 2023, and I look forward to meeting some of you in person. Thank you.